Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to a new week. Now before we start, why don't you leave a comment below. You can write your name and where you are from, okay, just to give a shout out to everyone. And if you have any questions throughout the video, you can always leave the comment in the video. Okay, I'll try my best to read the comments and reply them. Okay, there's still one more question we left from the previous video. So let's finish off this last question. This is your previous homework, yeah, page 88 in your textbook. So this is question H. The assets of Encik Hamid and Puan Shanti are 0.8 million and 1 million respectively. So Encik Hamid is 0.8 million. So 0.8 million and Shanti is 1 million. So a million has 6 zeros. So 0.8 million, you need to change to a round number first. So how do you do that? You times a million. Okay, darab sejuta. So how do you times a million? We move the decimal point. You can write a few zero behind first, preparing for the landing. Okay. Now when you times, you move the decimal point to the right. Okay, bila darab, titik bergerak ke kanan. Berapa kali? Tengok berapa kosong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kosong 6 kali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So yang depan ni tak ada dah. Sebab titik dah bergerak ke belakang. So, what is the answer? 800,000. Okay. Then, Encik Hamid's liabilities are 234,000. Okay. Which is half. Okay, this word very important. Half of Puan Shanti's liabilities. So who is richer? Now, if whatever you have is half, okay, let's say this is you, and this is your friend. So if whatever you have is half of your friend, if you want to find out how much your friend has, you need to times 2. Okay, because if I have a pizza here, and if I have half here, and you have the whole pizza, you can see there are 2 parts here. 1 part, 2 parts. So if you only have half, you times 2, then you'll get the whole pizza. So if you have lesser, your friend has more, you have to times 2 to find out how much your friend has. But if you have more and your friend has less than you need to divide 2. Your friend has half of what you have, then you need to divide 2 to find out how much your friend has. So here Encik Hamid's liability is 234,618. Puan Shanti's liability, you have to times 2. Because dia 2 kali ganda. Because Encik Hamid's liability is only half, separuh daripada Puan Shanti. So untuk cari Puan Shanti punya, kena darab 2. So 234,618, you times 2, you get 469,236. Okay, this is Puan Shanti's liability. Now to find out who is richer, siapa yang lebih kaya di sini, awak ambil asset tolak liability. Baki siapa lebih tinggi, dialah lebih kaya. So you take Encik Hamid's asset. Encik Hamid's asset is this one, 800,000. And then you minus his liability, okay? Asset dia 800,000, tolak liability dia 234,000. So what he has left, you take 800,000 minus 234,618. baki dia ataupun kita panggil net worth. Okay, what we call net worth. Asset you minus liability, you get your net worth. 565,382. This is for Encik Hamid. For Puan Shanti, sama juga, ambil aset dia sejuta, tolak liability dia. Okay, sejuta, tolak liability dia 469,236. You get 530,764. Okay, this is their net worth. Okay, so bila soalan tanya siapa yang lebih kaya, dia tanya net worth dia. So asset tolak liability dia, baki dia. Okay, siapa lebih kaya? 565,000, ini 530,000 saja. So 565,000 lebih banyak. So Encik Hamid yang lebih kaya. So when you answer, you write Encik Hamid is richer. Okay? Alright. So that's all for the topic 5 money. Okay, now we'll move on to the new topic. Okay, if you look at your textbook, this is page 89. Okay, page 89, muka surat 89, okay, masa, okay, waktu, time, chapter 6. Okay, so, are you ready? Okay, I want to show you a video first. Let's watch this video.
And the 24-hour clock. AM and PM are abbreviations that tell us whether the time occurs in the morning or in the afternoon or evening. AM occurs in the morning. It stands for antemeridium, which means before midday. You can think of it as before noon. PM.
Okay, so untuk sistem masa dia ada dua sistem 12 jam dan sistem 24 jam. Yang ni sistem 12 jam, dia ada AM dan PM. Pernah tengok kan? Pernah tengok masa dia akan tulis dalam AM dan PM. Okay, AM bermula dari tengah malam, 12 tengah malam hingga 11.59 pagi. Okay, AM bermula dari 12 tengah malam, 12 midnight, sehingga 11.59 pagi, until 11.59, just before noon or midday. Okay, midday ialah tengah hari lah. Manakala PM digunakan bermula 12 tengah hari hingga 11.59 malam. Okay, PM is used starting from midday, 12 noon, right until 11:59 night time. Okay,
PM occurs in the afternoon and evening. It stands for post-meridium, which means after midday. You can think of it as afternoon. In the AM-PM system of time, which is what most people use and what you are used to seeing, a 12-hour clock is used. That means that the morning goes up until 12 o'clock noon. It starts over again with 1 o'clock and goes through 12 o'clock midnight. In contrast, a 24-hour clock does not start over after 12 o'clock noon. The next hour, which we normally think of as 1 o'clock p.m.,
Okey, yang ini sistem 24 jam. Okey, dalam masa dia ada dua sistem 12 jam dan sistem 24 jam. Sistem 12 jam dia guna AM dan PM. Manakala sistem 24 jam dia tidak guna AM atau PM. Okay, usually you look at the time after 12 o'clock, it will get to 1 o'clock. That is either AM or PM. That is for 12-hour system. But for 24-hour system, after 12, it will go on to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on. Okay, untuk sistem 24 jam, selepas pukul 12, dia akan bergerak ke 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 dan sebagainya.
Is 1300, then 1400, etc. Time goes all the way up until 2400 midnight, which can also be called 000.
Okay, untuk sistem 24 jam, bila waktu dia 12 tengah hari, 12 midnight, masa ditulis sebagai sifar, 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 sifar. Okay, 4 zeros. And for system 24 jam, if you notice the clock over here, okay, there are 4 digits here for 24-hour system. The first 2 digits are the hours. The last 2 digits are the minutes. Okay, untuk sistem 24 jam, dia guna 4 digit, 4 nombor. 2 nombor depan ialah jam dan 2 nombor belakang ialah minute.
Time goes all the way up until 2400 midnight, which can also be called 000 because it is the start of the next day.
Okay, bila tengah malam, 12 tengah malam juga merupakan hari yang baru. When the clock reaches 12 midnight, it's already a new day. Okay, it's already a new day. It's the next day, the first minute of the next day when the clock reaches 12 midnight. Hari yang baru bila jam menunjukkan 12 tengah malam. Sebab tu kita meraihkan tahun baru, okay, 1 Januari kita meraihkan awak dengar fireworks, okay, bunga api pada jam pukul berapa? 12 tengah malam.
Let's look at a few examples. What is 7 o'clock p.m. on a 24-hour clock? 7 o'clock p.m. is afternoon, so this is 7 hours past 12 o'clock. We can simply add 12 plus 7 equals 19. Answer, 1900.
Okay, so to change from 12-hour system to 24-hour system, for the time that is in PM, you need to plus 12 hours. Then you get 1900. If you look at your textbook, you need to write hours behind. H-O-U-R-S. Okay, untuk tukar sistem 12 jam ke sistem 24 jam, contohnya untuk yang PM, awak perlu tambah 12 jam. So, 7 PM, awak tambah 12 jam, dia jadi 19 sifar-sifar. Okay, ini ialah sistem 24 jam. So, kalau awak tengok buku teks, awak perlu tulis jam di depan. Okay, jam 19 sifar-sifar. Okay, this is just an introduction for the new topic. Okay, ini pengenalan saja. Okay, if you learn something today, like the video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.